masakit yarn. Jandrix! Init naman. Excuse me, may naku po ba dito? Ay, ganda mo naman. Ay, meron. Yung kaibigan ko. Kaso I gotta put me first, ganun. So, upo ka na. Okay lang sa kaibigan mo? Actually, nasa CR siya naglalabas ng sama ng loob. Okay. I'm Philip. Hello. Pangalan mo? I'm Cornelia. Mag-enroll ka rin? Hello. Pansinin mo naman ako. Mag-enroll ka rin ba? Yes. Mag-isa ka lang? Napaka-strong independent woman mo naman. Anong course kinukuha mo? IT. Wow, so techie. Techie? Techie. Information technology. Technology. Ako naman, ang kukunin kong course, Bachelor of Science in Your Heart. Huh? Ikaw ang kukunin ko. Yung puso mo ang kukunin ko. Charot. Ito naman, biglang nangasim yung mukha. Nagbibiro lang ako. Pangit ang biro mo. Sungit. Ba't ka natatawa? May nasabi ba ako nakakatawa? Medyo nakaka-offend ah. Nothing. Grabe lang yung second-hand embarrassment na nakukuha ko from you. Ano? Pwede mag-suggest? Ano? Don't be like this to other people. Baka maging uncomfortable sila lalo na hindi ka nila kilala. Wait, uncomfortable ka sa akin? Yes. Learn to read the room. I'm not answering your questions kanina kasi ayoko makipag-usap sa'yo. But you're really makulit. Please don't take this in a negative way. I'm just educating you. Kala mo naman maganda. Maganda talaga ako. Tsaka nakalimutan mo na ba unang lumabas dyan sa bibig mo pagkakita mo sa akin? Ay, ang ganda mo naman. Kapal na mo. Mukhang natapakan ko yata ego mo. Okay lang yan. Marami pang mangre-reject sa'yo. Excuse me. O pre na kasi mga ka dyan. Kapal na mukha ng babaeng nakatabi ko, Ruben. Kala mo kung sino, napakayabang. Nagpakilala ako pero sinungitan ako. Bumanat lang naman ako, sabay pangit pala ng ugali. Kilala ko yun. Si Driana yun. Kanina pa pala siya nandito. Anyway, yung student ka kasi kaya di mo siya kalala, pero sikat yun sa buong school sa pagiging matapang tsaka may pinaglalaban, ganun. Teka, Driana? So ang pangalan niya, Cornelia Driana. Baliw ng Cornelia. Driana Hernandez lang pangalan nun. Saan mo nakuha yun? Anak lang, pati pangalan pinagkait sa akin. Ganun ba talaga kaayaw niya sa akin? Buwis. Okay lang yan, pre. Ganun actions ng girlfriend ko kapag uncomfortable siya sa isang tao. Ha? Girlfriend? Oh, 3 taon na kami. Huwag mo na ulitin, ha? Sige, Philip. Puntahan ko lang yung girlfriend ko si Cornelia Driana. So, good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is all about climate change here on our Earth. Ano meron, ma'am? End of the world na po. Ha? End of the world na? Teka, hindi pa ako nakaka-amin sa crush ko. End of the world, pero buti na lang girlfriend ko mundo ko. Tapos na ba kayo? Hindi ba kayo nanonood ng news? Hindi nagbabasa ng articles? Kaya naisip ninyo na end of the world na. Ay, nako. Let me educate you about what just happened, okay? Listen very carefully. So, scientists protest after the report of the IPCC or the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, stating that there should be a rapid reduction of greenhouse gas and it must be done by 2025 to mitigate the global warming. We've been warned by them for years, pero hindi pa rin tayo nakinig. Now we only have 3 to 5 years to save the Earth, and it's time to make a move. Anong kailangan gawin, ma'am? Good question. Start by downloading Ecosia application for web browsing. As much as possible, use Eco or tote bags for groceries. Water conservation, unplug electronics if hindi mo naman ginagamit, delete unwanted emails, don't burn plastics, and spread this information by sharing some articles. Ma'am, individual efforts would be enough to make a difference. I understand that we're running out of time. And parang mas magandang mag-take ng giant leap to save the Earth. Kailangan din namang kumilos ng mga large companies, but let's not invalidate the little steps, okay? We're not just helping the Earth, the environment. We're also helping ourselves. Makes sense. Thank you for educating us, ma'am. You're welcome. Alam kong paulit-ulit kong tinatanong sa'yo to, pero paulit-ulit ka rin nagsisinungaling. 2 taon na ako niloloko ng asawa ko. At ng kabit niya. I think We should call it a night. Mrs. Lucero, no.
Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.
Shut up. Boo. What's going on here? David, gusto mo bang sabihin sa kanila? Sabihin mo na, David. O sige. Ako na lang ang magsasabi, you're 2 years too late. Walang hiya ka. Boo. Walang hiyang galit na galit sa'yo. Mr. and Mrs. Lucero, what's going on?
Daughter. Sleeping with my husband.
Jill. What?
Your daughter. Sleeping with my husband.
What?
Your daughter. Sleeping with my husband.
Enough! I've heard enough. That's it. Hindi pa to enough. Kasi may isa pa kayong kailangan malaman. Don't you dare say it. There's doctor-patient confidentiality.
Nabuntis ni David ang anak ninyo at pumunta siya ng Amerika para ipa-abort ang bata. Your daughter.
What? What?
Sleeping with my husband. Your daughter.
Is this...
Sleeping with my
Is
husband.
this true?
Your daughter.
Lexi?
Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.
Tapos na tayo sa exciting part.